Greg,
Yeah, what's up?
what do you want to do after these dishes?
I don't know. What do you think? Make a movie? Make a video?
You sure a video?
Yeah, why not? I mean, what else we got to do?
What do you want to do it on?
Yeah, let's do one of those FX ones that we've been doing.
Oh, you want to do another FX one?
Yeah.
Those are pretty fun.
That's what I thought.
What FX do you want to do?
How about on split personality? What do you think?
You want to do it on split personality? Really?
Yeah. Why not? We talk to ourselves all the time.
Actually, what about the upcoming projects that we got going on this spring and summer?
Well, we've always got time to do that. I want to do the split personality.
Well, we like that Max Air fan that we're going to be putting in.
Yeah.
We've got that water transfer pump that we're going to be making a carrying bracket for and setting that up.
Yeah.
And, what other things? Oh, we're going to be doing some quick tips, just some little Home Camper's Life tips.
You forgot the seat cover for the
So,
truck.
what about those?
Well, yeah, we can always do those. But let's do the FX.
All right, we'll just do the split personality today, and we'll discuss those other ones later.
All right.
All right, well, let's get these dishes done.
Yeah, let's do that. Hey, hope to see you guys on the next video.